All right, ladies and gentlemen, Christopher Greene. It might be a little echoey in this room. It is January 14, 2023, and we are moving across the board right now. Huge pump across the cryptocurrency space. Bitcoin just crushed through 21K a few minutes ago. You can see the rest of our positions up double digits. In fact, many picks at school. One is up 5x in particular that I'm going to reveal today and actually show you the proof and the chart. That's 5 times your money. If you would have joined bitcoinrich.com just several months ago, you've gone 5x. And it's something you've never even heard about before, and I've never spoken publicly about. In addition to that, we have ICP up 12% today alone, breaking through the $5 threshold, very, very close to there. Coinbase, of course, last week on Friday, closing up 9% up to 51 bucks. And I told all of you this, ETH up 8.22%. When you don't have the laser eyes, that means we're about to pump. That means you buy, and this is an accumulation period for the big gains. BitcoinRich.com, I'm Christopher Greene, 1000 freaking X. So let's get into this some more. So the pick that I'm going to reveal that you would have only learned about at school, and I can prove this to you, this was just several months ago, about the time I launched Island Project, by the way, which we're breaking records with that, with our funding rate. All spots are almost taken and closed. So if you want to get involved in that, reach out to me, my team. Links below, islandproject.com. Is AJAX, Singularity Net, which I recommended at 0.03811, which has now gone up 5x, 5 freaking X. I got dozens of texts yesterday for a number of positions thanking me for my prudence, not financial advice, of course, for getting y'all in before everybody else. And you watch this whole video and more and the specifics on it, which I'm going to do an update at school, by the way, bitcoinrich.com, on what to do now in the accumulation phase, how long to hold, what my exit points are. Again, we doubled our money in Dogecoin just a couple months ago as well. That was an awesome play. I have a couple other picks I also haven't revealed to the public that I also think are going to 1000x. So let me show you this real quick. I might even play a little bit of the video, but you can see here the proof. Here on my laptop, 0.03811, Singularity Net AJAX. Okay, recommended this on, let's see here what the date was. If I scroll down, July 24th, 2022. So just several months ago at 0.03811, and we are now up 5x. So here, listen to this real quick on the computer.
Obviously, in recent months. You can see the chart as I put myself to the center of the screen. So this would be a good buying opportunity. It's traded as high as above 60 cents, and it is trading currently at 0.03 cents. So, I mean, this is a screaming buy. If this technology actually works, which I'd have to deep dive more on who's funding Handsome Robotics and Singularity Net, but I would guarantee it's all of big tech, and it's probably cloaked big tech funding it as well. I mean, come on. Like, they're not developing these robots from nowhere. So I could almost just kind of count on that, okay? And the token itself, AJAX, can be bought on these markets. Binance, KuCoin, Uniswap.
Okay, so that's just a quick example and the proof in the pudding. Again, July 24, 2022, 5x on this particular pick. Congratulations to all my students. More picks like this at school, bitcoinrich.com. There's a promo code, by the way, today, only $200 to get in. You're saving $200 at bitcoinrich.com. Now let's take a look at the chart and what's actually going on with the token right now. And you can see here, now we're up 5x. At 0.18 cents, it broke over 20 last night. So there's going to be some profit taking, of course, over the 5x your money. It looks like it's going close to 6 months there, or 6x. But I was recommending back in July, okay, which was an awesome accumulation period. You see the accumulation period here, all the haters, telling us crypto's over, everything's going to zero. Don't buy it, all the fear mongering, the inside job scam that was SBF, FTX, boom! To the freaking moon, baby. So that is one particular example of the record potential gains. By the way, all of our positions are up huge today. I'm seeing huge moves also with internet computer, the first decentralized internet computer technology, which I have full deep dives at school. Why I think that's going to 1000x, why I think that's such a valued opportunity. And by the way, there was huge manipulation going on with FTX and that exchange, selling naked derivative shorts. Yeah, it's like a real thing. Of ICP at its launch. So now that it's not being artificially suppressed, there's all this energy pushing it up, and it's about to explode much, much higher. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a quick 5x an internet computer, honestly, in the near term as well. And now that the bulls are back and the bears have been exhausted, and I believe the worst is already behind us and over, I think, again, accumulation is key, diversification is key. I've had many phone calls with you in recent days, consulting calls at the club as well, telling you to buy Bitcoin well before this pump. And then in addition to that, my personal opinion was just a couple days ago that 16666 was the algorithmic bottom, because of course I've seen this before, and this is when I was throwing the chairs in the pool. So take a look at this here for a minute. I mean, I called it perfectly. Bitcoin to skyrocket. There I am on the 16666 algorithmic low. Was trying to get all of your attention to show all y'all, get in. You want to buy Bitcoin. We're already up huge. Again, breaking close to 21K. I think we broke through 21K earlier, so I was right about that as well. And I've even pinned on my Twitter, and I'm going to keep it there for the entire year. I did a video with my beautiful, handsome son, Austin. I said, you'll never get this opportunity again. This was December 5th, 2022, regarding Bitcoin. I'm saying buy now. Okay, and I put that there too. I think Bitcoin might have even been trading lower then. And I said, this is your last chance to accumulate and get in at these record prices, because you want to buy low and then never sell, because why would you sell? You can, of course, take some profits off the top if you've gone up 10x. And I do think Bitcoin will 10x in the next secular bull market. Many of these picks at school are going to go 100, 1,000x, maybe even more than that. Island Project, of course, my proprietary real estate fund is going to go up 1,000x because we're tokenizing everything that we're doing. We're under contract, of course, on the first flagship one, Property Maui, so I'm super stoked about that. Again, it's January 14th, 2023. I love you all. Click the link below. If you want to get started at bitcoinrich.com, you can take a look at all of our videos right here. You can get in with the special promo code, $200 off today, Island Project. Get in and learn about cryptocurrency. Get my breaking next major play for 1,000x gains. 2 private picks. Get my secret 1,000x picks here. Get my other 1,000x pick that I haven't revealed yet to the public, and all the information on Island Project, what we're doing, the inside track, Bitcoin fundamentals, Bitcoin 101, how to use exchanges, the ones I'm staying away from, how to get your money out of the bank, and so much more. So anyways, guys, I love you. You're going to see me bouncing around the next few days because, of course, I am traveling, visiting family, but it is an honor to continue to serve you. I want to see you at school, bitcoinrich.com. Get in now, and then I want to hear your comments, questions in the box below. What do you think? What are you buying now? And then again, congrats to all my students making these record gains, especially in Ajax, which I have never spoken about publicly, which has just done a 5x on your money since I recommended it in July. It could go a lot higher. We're seeing some consolidation. So, looking at it now after going 5x, obviously it's drawing some attention. So I wouldn't be surprised if it ripped higher another 5x. Then maybe you could kind of consider taking something off the top. And then now that your initial investment has gone up 5 times, you can take off the initial investment and then let it all ride to infinity. So, I often do that too. If I'm early and something makes a dramatic move, I'll take the initial investment out, and then basically it's free money. And if it goes 100x or 1,000x, you just made your first $1 million. So literally, this happens in crypto all the time, guys. This happens in crypto. I bought Bitcoin under $1,000, guys. This is how I got rich in the first place. And I want all of you stinking bitcoinrich.com. Those are for good eggs. Those are for good eggs. Those are for good eggs. All right, ladies and gentlemen, to join our world-class blockchain academy at bitcoinrich.com, enter the promo code, what is it, son? Lambo. Save $100 off today. Learn everything you can about Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the other hosts of blockchains, DeFi, smart contracts. Learn how to create those cash flows potentially. Change your life. Go all in with us at bitcoinrich.com. Link below. That's promo code Lambo. Get in today.
Join Bitcoin Rich School today. Promo code